Today I'm going to show you how to erase the key position. This EIS have 4 positions already in use. But we only have 1 car key in hand now. So I will delete the other 3 key positions. We have calculated the EIS password. We need to get the erase password now. Need to get EIS password first. Okay, we save EIS data with password. The file saves successfully. Then we get the erase password. It need your device connect internet. Erase password calculated successfully, we click OK. We need to use the analog key when we erase the EIS. I have connected the analog key with CGDI MB device. And this is our analog key. Then we click wipe the EIS. It tips that insert the simulation key into EIS. Done. Then shows erase succeed, we click OK. We can read the EIS data again. It is empty EIS now. The personalized and activated not marked now. Then we load the EIS file which has password information inside. Click Write EIS data. It will tip you that you need to write the VAN first. Okay, we cancel it, let us write the VAN first. The VAN write succeed. Then we write the EIS file now. We click OK. It tips you to insert the analog key. We insert the analog key into EIS. Write succeed now. Then we need to activate the original key. Remove the analog key and insert the original key into EIS. Okay, let's restart the car again. No problem, work good. Let's try the remote now. The remote is good too. Okay, let's read the EIS data again now. Now there's only 1 key position left. The other key positions have been cleared. Okay, that is all steps. Thanks for your watching.